Hello student, I am Ashish Chawla and today we continue the same topic, that is linear equation in two variables. Let's start with the problems. The first problem for today is if 2a equals to b, pair of equation the pair of equation ax plus by is equals to 2a square minus 3b square, comma, the second equation is x plus 2y is equals to 2a minus 6b. If 2a equals to b, the pair of the equation ax plus by equals to 2a square minus 3b square and x plus 2y equals to 2a minus 6b. For this pair of equation, determine the number of solution of above equation. So let's see how we can solve this problem. Now, to determine the number of solutions, we have to check the conditions, whether the lines are intersecting, lines are overlapping, or lines are not, or the lines are parallel. If the lines are intersecting, then we have a unique solution, only one solution, one number of solution. And if the lines are overlapping, then we have infinite number of solutions. But if the lines are parallel, then there is no solution. So we have to check the conditions, whether the lines are intersecting, overlapping, or parallel, then by which we can determine the number of solutions. So first of all, we have to find a1 upon a2. What are a1, a2? a1 and a2 are the coefficients of x. a1 is the coefficient of equation number 1 and a2 is the coefficient of x in the equation number 2. So the equation 1 is ax plus by is equals to 2a square minus 3b square. So the coefficient of x is a and the coefficient of x is here, that is 1. So a by 1. Now we find b1 upon b2. What is b1 upon b2? b1 b2 are the coefficients of y. The coefficient of y is b. What is the coefficient of y here? That is 2. That is b by 2. Now we find c1 upon c2 as well. c1 c2 are the constant terms. See here, in both the equation the constant terms are on the right hand, so there is no need to shift them to the left hand side. So we take as it is, that is 2a square minus 3b square, that is c1, and 2a square minus 3b square. What is c2? That is 2a minus 6b. Now what we are doing now, as a1 upon a2 are in the form of a only, so we have to convert the terms, we have to convert b into a. Then we can compare a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, and c1 upon c2. So in this b1 upon b2, what we are doing, we replace b by 2a. Why? Because b equals to 2a. That is this one. So I replace b by 2a. 2a by 2, that is 2 and 2 get cancelled, I get a, or you can say a is nothing but a by 1. So a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2. Both are equals to a1, a by 1. Now check c1 for c2. Again here I am replacing b by 2a. In the denominator side same as well, 6. Replace b by 2a. So 2a square, 2a ka square, 4a square, 4a square into minus 3, minus 12a square upon 2a, 6 into 2, that is 12, minus 12a. Now I take 2a square minus 12a square, that is minus 10a square, 2a minus 12a, that is minus 10a. Now minus 10 get cancelled, and a square and a, 1 a is get cancelled. So what is left? That is a, or a is nothing but a by 1. So what we are seeing here, that it is very clear that a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2, and we know that this is the condition for the infinite number of solutions. So the above equation having infinite number of solution. Why? Because the lines are overlapping. Now we move to the next question. Find a comma b for infinite number of solution. And the equations are 2x minus 3y equals to 7, a plus b x minus a plus b minus 3y is equals to 4a plus b. हमें a और b की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है ताकि इन गिवन इक्वेशंस के infinite solutions हों. So what is the condition for the infinite solution? For infinite solution, we know that a1 upon a2 should be equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. Now put the values. a1, a2 are the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x are 2 and here a plus b. So I write 2 upon a plus b is equals to b1 upon b2, that is minus 3 upon minus times a plus b minus 3. What is c1 upon c2? That is 7 for a plus b. और c1 upon c2 को लिखते हुए हम एक चीज़ का ध्यान रखेंगे कि जो कांस्टेंट टर्म्स हैं या तो वो दोनों राइट हैंड साइड पर हों जैसे कि यहाँ पर है तो हमें शिफ्टिंग करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती, लेकिन और यहाँ तो फिर दोनों लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पर तो हमें शिफ्टिंग करने की जरूरत नहीं होती. लेकिन अगर एक कांस्टेंट टर्म राइट साइड पर है और दूसरी लेफ्ट साइड पर है तो उनको दोनों को सेम साइड पे कर लेना चाहिए, नहीं तो साइन का डिफरेंस आएगा. सो यहाँ पे दोनों राइट साइड पे है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हम एज इट इज लिख सकते हैं. नाउ आगे सॉल्व करते हैं. लेट्स से इफ आई टेक दीज टू इक्वेशन, इन दोनों का भी इक्वल होना जरूरी है एज वेल एज इन दोनों का भी इक्वल होना जरूरी है. सो आई राइट 2 upon a plus b. Here minus and minus are get cancelled. So 3 upon a plus b minus 3. इन दोनों का आपस में इक्वल होना जरूरी है एंड साथ साथ में इन दोनों का इक्वल होना भी जरूरी है. So 3 upon a plus b minus 3 is equals to 7 for a plus b. Now अब हम दोनों इक्वेशन को साइमल्टेनियसली सॉल्व करेंगे. इनको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया so it become 2 a plus b minus 3 is equals to 3 times a plus b. So 2a plus 2b minus 6 is equals to 3a plus 3b. So shift all the terms to the one side. That let's say 3 and 3b को हम shift कर देते हैं. So it becomes minus a minus b minus 6 equals to 0. So this is equation number 1. Let's साथ साथ में इसको भी हमें सॉल्व करना था एंड इधर भी हमने क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. 3 is multiplied with 4a plus b and 7 is multiplied by a plus b minus 3. So 3 into 4a that is 12a, 3 into b 3b, 7a plus 7b minus 21. सबको वापस शिफ्ट कर देंगे. 12a minus 7a that is 5a, 3b minus 7b minus 4b minus 21 को दिलाएंगे तो plus 21 equals to 0. This is equation number 2. So this is first equation and this is our equation number 2. Now we have to solve these two equations. Let's say we make the coefficient of a same. So here the a is 5. So here a is minus 1. So we have to multiply first equation by let's say 5. So I getting minus 5a minus 5b minus 30 equals to 0. Let's say this equation number 3. Now add equation number 3 and 2. जब हम 3 और 2 को ऐड करेंगे तो a कैंसिल हो जाएगा. देखिए 5a minus 4b plus 21 equals to 0 minus 5a minus 5b minus 30 equals to 0. जब हम ऐड करेंगे तो ये दोनों कैंसिल. minus 5b minus 4b that is minus 9b, 21 minus 30 that is minus 9 equals to 0. So minus 9b equals to plus 9, तो b equals to minus 1. b equals to minus 1. Now अब हम किसी भी इक्वेशन में पुट कर दें b की वैल्यू तो हमें a मिल जाएगा. लेट्स से हम इक्वेशन नंबर 2 में पुट करते हैं. दैट इज 4a minus 4b plus 21. 4a minus 4b plus 21 equals to 0. Put b equals to minus 1 in equation number 2. Now 5a minus 4, what is the value of b? That is minus 1 plus 21 equals to 0. So 5a plus 4 plus 21 equals to 0. So 5a plus 25 equals to 0. 5a equals to minus 25. So a equals to minus 5. A equals to minus. So in this way we can find the value of a and b. Let's move to the another question. The sum of two number is 20 and product is 40. Find the sum of their reciprocals. Let's see how we can solve this. हमें क्या दे रखा है? हमें बता रखा है कि दो नंबर का सम क्या है 20. लेट द नंबर्स आर x एंड y. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन इनका सम कितना है 20. सो x प्लस वाई इक्वल्स टू 20 और इनका प्रोडक्ट कितना है 40. x into y is 40 and what we have to find? We have to find the sum of their reciprocal, that is 1 upon x plus 1 upon y. तो जब हम इसका एलसीएम लेंगे तो x into y का एलसीएम आएगा xy, न्यूमरेटर में क्या आएगा y plus x, and we know that x plus y is what 20. What is x into y? 40. 20 by 40, that is 1 by 2. The sum of their reciprocal is 1 by 2. Now we move to